Hey everyone! Ever encountered the frustrating notification on your Google device saying local featured on TV and wondered how to fix it? Today we're diving into how to fix Google if it says local featured on TV. This common issue is not only perplexing, but can interrupt your usual Google experience. Don't fret, as we'll walk you through a step-by-step guide to troubleshoot and resolve this hiccup effectively. Step 1. Understand the message. Before diving into solutions, it's crucial to understand what local featured on TV means. This notification typically indicates that your Google device, like a Chromecast or a Google Home, is attempting to connect or has detected another device, possibly a TV or a different smart device, on the same network. Knowing why it pops up can help you decide which route to take in fixing. Step 2. Check device connections. The next step is to check all the connections of your Google-enabled devices. Begin by ensuring that every device is properly connected and linked to the same Wi-Fi network. A common cause of this issue is miscommunication between devices due to connection errors. Restart your router and reconnect your Google device, ensuring they share a network. This sometimes clears up underlying connection issues. Step 3. Restart your devices. A simple yet effective fix might just be to restart your involved devices. Power off both your Google device and the TV or any other linked devices. Wait for a few minutes and then power them on again. This process can refresh the internal settings, potentially resolving any temporary glitches contributing to the local featured on TV notification. Step 4. Disable notification features. If the issue persists, consider disabling the notification features on your Google device. Open the Google Home app on your smartphone and navigate to the device settings. Look for the Let Others Control Your Cast Media option. Turning off this feature can prevent Google from trying to interact with other local devices spontaneously, thus eliminating the annoying notification from appearing again. Step 5. Update your devices. Always ensure that your devices are running the latest software versions. Outdated software can cause a range of compatibility and operation issues. Go to your Google device's settings and look for any available updates. The same should be done for your TV or any other smart devices connected to the same network. Updating might resolve the notification bug if it's related to software discrepancies. Step 6. Reset to factory settings. As a last resort, consider resetting your Google device to its factory settings. This action should only be taken if other methods fail, as it will erase all settings and restore the device to its original state. Consult your device's manual or the Google support website for specific instructions on how to perform a factory reset. Once completed, reconfigure your device as a new setup, which often clears persistent issues. Encountering the local feature on TV notification can be a nuisance, but understanding the cause and applying the appropriate fixes makes troubleshooting straightforward. By checking connections, restarting devices, disabling unnecessary notifications, keeping devices updated, and resetting if necessary, you can navigate through this minor setback with ease. Remember, each step is designed to ensure a seamless experience with your Google devices. Stay connected and enjoy smooth, uninterrupted use of your technology. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and solutions.